This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making pan-fried miso chicken sticks. Let's start by preparing the chicken. I have here 2 pieces of boneless chicken leg. That's the thigh and the drumstick together. Trim off any visible fats and the tendons. They tend to be a little chewy after cooking. Cut a slit in the thick parts of the chicken. This is to help the marinade penetrate the chicken and to help it cook more evenly. For the marinade, grab some miso. Generally, miso comes in white, yellow or red. For this recipe, you can use any one of it. It doesn't matter. To this miso, add some cooking sake. Mirin, sugar, garlic, and some water to help it all combine. The amount of ingredients to use is listed in the description below. Mix all this together till smooth. You should not see any miso lumps in the marinade. Pour this marinade over your chicken. Ensure that all parts of your chicken is covered with the marinade. You can marinate this chicken for 2 hours or even better, overnight. For those busy working professionals who don't want to eat out so often and want something healthy for the family, marinate the chicken in the fridge in the morning before you leave for work. This chicken will be nicely marinated when you get home. Before frying, remove your chicken from your refrigerator for about 30 minutes to bring it back to room temperature. Then, remove the chicken from the marinade and pat it dry. I'll be pan frying the chicken today, but you can also use your grill or your air fryer. Put your pan over a medium to low heat. When the pan is hot, add in some oil. And when the oil is hot, add in the chicken skin side down. You should hear the sizzle when you put the chicken in the pan. Otherwise, your pan is not hot enough, and you need to give your pan more time to heat up. Do not turn up the heat too high because there's quite a lot of sugar in this marinade, and your chicken will burn quite easily. We are frying this chicken skin side down first. This is because we want to render the chicken fat. This will allow the skin to get nice and crispy without overcooking the rest of the chicken. Leave this chicken to cook in the pan for about 4 to 5 minutes without touching it. The chicken will let you know when it's time to flip. If the chicken is sticking to the pan, leave it there for a longer time. If it releases easily, flip it. Cook the other side for about another 4 minutes or so. You can check for doneness by cutting into the thickest part of the chicken. It is done when the center of the chicken is no longer pink. I like to serve this chicken with a simple slaw on the side. Shred some cabbage, cut a couple of cherry tomatoes. This is optional. To the cabbage, add a splash of vinegar or lemon juice, a little extra virgin olive oil, and a pinch of salt and pepper. The acid from the vinegar or lemon juice in the slaw brightens up this dish. But if you are not serving this with a slaw, provide a slice of lemon wedge on the side. This is pan-fried miso chicken steak.